Hey Preston, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I talked to Carmen about sending you a video on how to improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, you got your logo, you got your great header along with your click to call, as well as another click to call right away, which is awesome. And you always have that schedule and on-site estimate, which is awesome for that quick conversions. And then it goes down to what you do, as well as it does look like you have a bunch of links right to all your different services, which is great. The only thing is, usually you want to link every 150 words, just so Google doesn't think you're just linking to everything. So I would probably look to lengthen that out to not put them all in one spot because there's also right on the bottom of it another four links. And then just going down about all the different projects and skills, which is awesome. And that is the end of, or the bottom of your website, which from what I'm seeing, you have less than 250 words, give or take. And what Google is truly looking for in their top tier is about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And in that, you want those keywords that people are searching for. So, what a keyword is that buyer intent keyword. So, someone who's looking for your service. So, we have a way to check behind the scenes. So, we have Ahrefs. That's a way to peek behind the curtain and show what's going on with your website. So the two main things are your UR rating, which is Google's strength rating of your website, and your DR rating, which is their trust in your website. The way to build these up, because right now they're non-existent, is to get backlinks. So what a backlink is a link from another website that leads back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal. So, for example, a Wikipedia link would be extremely spammy because there's at least 200 links per page. Now, what would be a good one would be a painter's blog. A good painter's blog would be an awesome backlink and would actually help your trust rating improve. Now, another thing that Google is looking for is your organic keywords. These are those buyer intent keywords I was talking about. Now, if we look at your keywords, you do have one of the better ones, which is Painter Spring, Texas, which is bringing your only traffic in on your website. As you look before, you're only getting that organic traffic of 7, and that's because of this keyword right here of painters in Spring, Texas, and that's you're in a pretty good position in ninth, which is um, still on the bottom of the first page. So let's check that keyword out. So if we put Painter Spring, Texas, first you have your ads, which are the people that are paying to be on the top. So if you would click on one of these ads, that would charge Paint Authority per that click. However, because they're on top, they have a bigger potential of getting those people that are searching that buyer intent. And then you have your Google Map Pack, which the Google Map Pack is super important because 30 to 40% of people stop right here and they're going to choose one of these three. Just because if they're already looking for the Painter Spring, Texas, they're going to stop when they see the top three because those are the top three. And then you have your organic rankings, which first is Yelp, then you have the Painter Spring, Texas, which is Pete's Professional Painting. So let's check out their website. So their website, they got pretty much the same as yours. They have their logo, they have their nice header with their click to call. Then just going through, they have their services, as well as just a bunch of reviews and what they're all about. Like yours, they really don't have too many words. They only have about 500, which, to be honest, once again, we're looking for that 15 to 2,000, so it wouldn't be hard to beat them there. And then let's put them in Ahrefs. Let's see what their site is all about. So they also don't have any strength rating, so their website is pretty weak. Their trust rating, also 1.1, not that good. What they do have though is they do have a lot of backlinks, and that's why they're doing so well. However, even their backlinks, they might have 612, but they don't have many good backlinks. If you look down here, you can see they only have 28 that are actually helping them. So the other 500 and something are not doing much for them. But they do have a lot of keywords as well. So let's check out what their keywords are. Um, just like yours, they have that Painter Spring, Texas, but they've put it enough around their website where they're able to position themselves into the top spot. Then they have just, yeah, most of the others are kind of useless. Pete's Painting is, since it's their name, of course, they're going to be the ones to pop up. And then everything else is extremely generic. So that's why you see they all have zero traffic because they're pretty much useless. So if you were looking to beat out your competitor, which is that Pete's Painting, so what you got to do, up that word count from 1500 or from that 250 to around 1500 to 2000, up those backlinks and get as many as you can from different painting organizations, all those good, strong blogs that you can find, as well as raise up those keywords. You already have that good one in Painters in Spring, Texas. Put it more organically into your site so you can start ranking higher for that, as well as I would start branching out. Go into Woodlands and Conroe just to start trying to rank for those as well, because the more the merrier. You want to get as much traffic as you can, and they're getting 42 traffic just from being 6 spots ahead of you. They're getting an extra 35 people a month just from that one keyword being ahead of yours. So you want to get that keyword, especially that keyword of Painters in Spring, Texas, up to up that organic traffic so you can get on higher on the front page to beat out Pete's Painting. Now, I hope you liked what you saw. Um, if you did, just reach back out to me. And as always, if you can please leave some feedback, that would be much appreciated. And you have a blessed rest of your night.